In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you can copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. Then, if you want to access it in Clipboard, click on Clipboard icon and paste it by clicking on it over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen again, click on your sentence and use pin icon next to the pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!